Hey signers and teachers, are you ready to get a gold star for using ASL in the classroom? In this video, I'm going to teach signs for classroom management, instructional commands, communication and interaction, and school location and needs. Yes, it's a lot. And speaking of a lot, thank you teachers for all you do. As a parent, your services are appreciated. So let's continue in our public service series and learn how to sign for teachers. In this section, you're going to learn signs for classroom management.
Pay attention. Pay attention. Think of horse blinders narrowing the view of what they can see. Pay attention.
Quiet. Quiet. You have two B hands coming up from your mouth, putting them down to make something quiet, calm, silent. Quiet. To sit. To sit. The sign chair is a double movement, and to sit is showing the actual action of sitting, which chair and to sit are noun-verb pairs. To sit. To line up. To line up. These are the people lining up. To line up. Wait. Wait. Your fingers are wiggling to the side. Wait. Break. Break. This is in reference to maybe a spring break or Christmas break, showing there are weeks in between and you're taking a break from it. Break.
Please. Please. It's a flat hand making a circle on your chest. Please. Clean. Clean. Think of dusting something off. Clean. Finish or done. And also when you sign it, you go fish. Finish.
This section is all about signs for instructional commands. Help. Help. This used to be the old sign for help, like you were helping somebody across the street. And then it changed into this. You can also do this directionally. Helping you, helping me, or helping everybody, or helping somebody else. Help. Focus, as in to pay attention, or to focus in on something. This is to look at me, versus this is to look at your work. Focus on me, focus on your work.
Work. Work. Your two fists are pounding right on top of each other. Work.
To read. To read. This is the page that you're reading, and your dominant hand is the eyes reading down the pages. To read.
Write. Write. You're using your dominant hand to write on your non-dominant. Write. Draw. Draw. Your pinky finger is like a pencil drawing on a piece of paper. Draw.
Spell. Spell. Your fingers move out and wiggle to spell. Spell. Show. Show. Your index finger is pointing on your non-dominant hand, showing everybody what you want them to see. You can put it out towards somebody, or out to everybody else, or somebody next to you. Show.
Again, or repeat. Your dominant hand is coming into the middle of your hand. Again, or repeat. Understand. Understand. It's like the light bulb is coming on. Understand. Don't understand. Don't understand. You do the sign understand, but shaking your head back and forth. Don't understand. Question. Question. It's like a tiny little question mark. Question.
Math. Math. This is the sign for to figure something out, but you're doing it with flat M hands. Math. Science. Science. It's like you're in science class and pouring into beakers. Science. History. History. This is the sign for passed down or generations. History. Art. Art. Your finger is drawing like you're in art class. Art. Book. Book. This is what we call a noun-verb pair. The sign book has a double movement, but then we can close the book, open the book. Book. Homework. Homework. It's the sign home and work put together. Homework. Now you are going to learn signs for communication and interaction.
Go. Go. Your fingers move forward like you're going somewhere. Go.
Come or come here. It's the sign go, but putting it in towards yourself. Come or come here.
Yes. Yes. Your hand is representing your head nodding. Yes. No. No. It's like the letter N and O put together. No. Please. Please. It's a flat hand making a circle on your chest. Please. Thank you. Thank you. Your dominant hand is coming out from your chin. Thank you.
Sorry. Sorry. You'll see this mainly used with an A hand, but sometimes you might see it with an S as well. Sorry. Share. Share. Your dominant hand is moving back and forth, sharing. Share. Good. Good. Your dominant hand is coming down from your chin to your non-dominant. Good. In this section, it's all about school locations and needs.
Bathroom. Bathroom. You have a T hand shaking it back and forth like for the sign toilet. Bathroom.
Water. Water. It's a W hand right towards your lips. Water. Lunch or lunch. It's eating at noon or an L for eat. Lunch. Lunch. Principal. Principal. Think of your non-dominant hand as a rock, and you do a twisted P on top because the principal is the rock of your school. Principal. Counselor. Counselor. It's the sign counsel or to advise somebody with the agent marker, making it a person. Counselor.
Teacher. Teacher. Teachers give information, and this is a person. Teacher.
Secretary can be signed a variety of ways. Personally, I would sign it right with the agent marker, but you'd also see U, agent marker, or K, agent marker. Secretary. Nurse. Nurse. You're doing a flat N on the wrist like you're checking a pulse. Nurse. Office. Office. You're making the shape of a room just with O hands. Office. Cafeteria. Cafeteria. The sign is right by your mouth because it's a place that you eat. Cafeteria. Gym. Gym. It's G hands moving up and around on your shoulders like you're jumping rope. Gym. Library. Library. It's an L hand moving in a circle. Library. Play. Play. Play, you're using Y hands and they're bouncing around like they're playing. Play. Your turn, my turn. It's pushing out for your turn and coming back for my turn. Your turn, my turn. Now it's time to put these signs into sentences. It's time to clean up. Now, clean. Everyone quietly stand up and line up. You all stand up, line up, quiet. Remember, we are reading quietly. Remember, read quiet. You are doing good. Keep going. You, good. Continue. Yes, you can go to the office. Yes, office, go. If you are using ASL in the classroom, share with us ways you use it and how it benefits your students. While you're at it, share this video with other teachers. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.